Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this quick tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can reduce price impact on your Pancakeswap. Our first step being that you head over to the browser section at the bottom of the screen. Once there, you simply scroll till you find Pancakeswap. Once you found Pancakeswap, make sure your wallet is connected here, like so. Make sure this wallet is connected. Once your wallet is connected, you're going to be selecting tokens that you want to swap or you wish to swap. Let's go with this AI trader token. So now we're going to be swapping from the AI token to BNB. As you can see, it's a high risk token. So you simply click on max. We're going to be swapping everything. And as you can see here, the price impact is 0.77%. And we're going with a slippage tolerance of 1%. So even if you were to click on swap, this transaction is not going to get confirmed based on the fact that the coin is not listed here yet. It's not listed for swapping yet on Pancakeswap. So what you're going to do is, in order to reduce price impact, which is here, what we're going to do is simply remove some of the numbers attached to the token you want to swap. Make it a whole number or a round figure. Let's go with 200,000. And with 200,000, you can see that the price impact still remains at 0.77%. So let's say you were to reduce it down to 20,000. It goes drastically down to 0.08%. And if you were to take it down a notch again to 2,000, it's still going to reduce to less than 0.01%. And now you can simply increase the slippage tolerance. If it were a normal token, you'd simply increase the slippage tolerance to about 15.0%, and then click on swap, and then click on confirm swap. But this token is not going to get swapped. Alright guys, comment down below if you have any questions concerning how you can reduce price impact on your Pancakeswap exchange, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.